I shall take 500 more if you'd like. At 6,000, are we there? Are we done? Yes, 6,200. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell you, £1,000. It's your all. Yeah. Don't be mad. 1,100. Go 1,200. 1,300 I have here. 1,300 is here. What's happening on my right? No. Thank you anyway. At 1,300 I've got you. Sarah, you back in. Madam? No, sure. Sorry. At 1,300 is here. On my left. At 1,300. Give me a minute. At 1,300. We're just doing some calculations here today. At 1,000. £6,200. Are we there? Telephone's got the bid. Full store in the room at 2,200. My gap is up and I'm selling. At 2-2 telephone bidder. Save that for. And I'm going to start here with bids on my book at 5, 5.5, 6,000 already at £6,000. Try me at 6.5. Who's going to come in first? Yes, internet's bid, thank you, at 6.5. All done at 7,500. And I'm selling, thank you, and you are 6,439. Thank you. 1,500 my bid. At 6.5. Internet, can I tempt you at 7,000? That's the next bid. It's currently at 6.5 with me. Who's waving in the room? Anybody in here now? At 6,500, are you sure, sir? At 6,500, are we done this time? At £6,500. Thank you very much. Lot number 294, it's the 1938 Norton. It's our international special against jump frame. At 6,500. Thank you, sir. 7,000 standing at the back of the room. I've got you. At 7,000, it's on my right. At 7,000. Anybody coming in at 7.5 now?
Basically means we show a lot of pledge on camera by mistake, right? And genuinely, no, I buy it on Amazon. We do have a deal with WD-40, which is no deal apart from send us a few bottles.
Well, I helped you around the London side because it's your birthday, and it's fantastic to make my day, absolutely. I think, speaking on behalf of everyone here, well, thanks, because when you do these fantastic shows, you inspire us to get on that bike to see places that we've never even heard of. And I think, wow, Henry's been there, write it down, got to go through it. Oh, something's hard to get it.
Yeah, take care, getting. I don't like to drag Pat away from his fans here, good boy. Now the winner of the veteran vintage being manufactured before 1931 is the 1911 Royal Enfield V-Twin, Chris Martin. No, he's a singer, he's also a former supersport racer. Now we go on to the second place man, 1937 Velocet KSS, Martin Carter. Martin Carter. Well done, Martin. Congratulations, Martin. Very good. So we move on to the best Japanese machine, which is the 1979. The ladies kind of hover up or decide not to come up at all. What does that say about the blokes, eh? Well done, Tess. Sunday. Best in show, plus £100, not to be sneezed at. To you, yes. It's in fact the 1966 Triumph TR6 5R of Brendan Taylor.
We've given him an award before. Yeah. But he was up here, so...
Well done, gentlemen.
I don't understand it. The license is important, to be honest. It's the stuff in the festival. And it was justified.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think that is the conclusion.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you could have your attention for a moment, please. Mr. Alistair Kerr,